Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an amazing deal about cash flow fraud. Are you tired and stressed about your business finances? Do you ever wonder if there is an app that automates cash flow forecasting and view available cash balances? No worries. Get Cash Flow Frog. For only $59, get our lifetime deal and have lifetime access with Cash Flow Frog. Cash Flow Frog is a dynamic cash flow forecasting tool that allows you to budget smarter for your business. It is simple to use and easy to navigate, making it the perfect tool for everyone. Cash Flow Frog is a cloud-based application that allows businesses to see their available cash balances and automate cash flow forecasting using previous information and up-to-date reports. Plan ahead with visual calculations and keep track on your cash flow in real time. You can automatically produce cash flow forecasts for your business by linking your accounting software to Cash Flow Frog. Cash Flow Frog seamlessly connects with QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks, and Zapier, ensuring that your reports are always current and relevant. You can examine and edit your forecasts with daily, weekly, and monthly breakdowns on the dashboard. With easy-to-understand customized graphs, you may evaluate various what-if situations. Simply create a new scenario, and Cash Flow Frog will generate a chart that will replicate the effects over time. With Cash Flow Frog, build unique cash flow reports to share with colleagues and clients for greater transparency. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-use cash flow forecasting tool, Cash Flow Frog is definitely worth considering. It can help you budget smarter and make more informed decisions about your business finances. Get lifetime access with Cash Flow Frog for only $59. You can save as much as $500, so don't miss out this super great deal. If you like what you hear about Cash Flow Frog, check out more details by clicking out the link in the description below. Look through the collection of lifetime deals today, available on the right side of your screen. You will find software solutions at super low prices. Hit that like button and subscribe to get the latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.